Hello guys, this is Temo with this week's trading report. I hope you're all having a good weekend. I'm here to show you this week's trading report, so let's get to business and show you how we performed this week. In Tier 1, we reached $3.64 million this week, and in Tier 2 deposits, we crossed $7.498 million. In total deposits, we have crossed $11,143,000. Our target in Tier 1 this week was $364,502, and our target in Tier 2 was $1.124 million. Our total target was $1,489,345. Our commissionable deposits this week were $1,021,800. So we'll go through our trading accounts one by one and see how we performed this week. So first of all, we're going to log into our trading account number 1. Let's log into our account number 1 and see how we performed this week. Oops, my internet is disconnected. Let's get connected with internet so we can log in. There we go. So as you can see that we are connected now. So we'll see our history for last week from 20th not from 27th until today. And in our account number 1, you can see that we made a profit, a massive profit of $1,191,819 this week. So we'll go back to our Excel sheet and highlight this massive profit before moving on to our next account. There you go. And our account number 2, we'll log into our account number 2, which is on this terminal. I just logged in. Let's have a look at last week's trading history from 27th until today. You can see that we made a total profit of $14,080 this week on this account. So we'll highlight this before moving on to our next account, which is account number 3. Let's log into our account number 3 and see how it performed this week. And as you can see that we made a total profit of $475,832 on this account. So we'll go back to our Excel sheet and highlight this before moving on to our next account, which is account number 4. Let's log into account number 4. And have a look at history for 27th until today. We made a total profit of $19,880. Go back to our Excel sheet and highlight this before moving on to our last trading account, which is account number 5. Let's log into our account number 5. So the internet connection seems to be a little slow down here. Let's have a look at last week from 27th until today and see how we performed, how our new trader performed this week on this account. And he made us a total profit of $38,145. So we'll go back to our Excel sheet and highlight this. And in Tier 3, we made a total profit of $3,742 only. Remember, this is the 30% of total profit that we make for tier 3 clients. So we'll add this to our total profit as well, and we made a total profit of $1,743,498, which is $254,152 more than our target profit. We made good profits this week. Good profits again mean a very, very good insurance fund. We are paying 5% commissions, referral commissions for last week's deposits, as we pay the maximum of 5%. So this week we're paying 5% maximum commissions for last week's deposit, which is $51,090. After paying commissions, the company is still left with $203,062 company profit, out of which I've decided to put in 85% into the insurance fund. I've always stressed on this insurance fund. This is very important for me, and this is going to be the backbone of Elite Earners Club in very near future. So we've decided to add 85% into the insurance fund, and our insurance fund has rocketed to $285,942,000. It's still not where I want it to be, but we are getting there. $30,459 this week were added to admin costs. This is it for this week's trading report. I hope you all have a good weekend, whatever's left of it. Enjoy your weekend, and I will try and get some rest and spend some time with my family too. Take care and see you next week.